Are you looking for the best mini PC under $400? In this video we will look at some of the best mini PC under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GMKtec K8 Plus Mini PC. The Nutbox K8 Mini PC is a small form-factor desktop micro-mini computer with an AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS 8C/16T up to 5.1 GHz processor. The GPU is integrated with a powerful AMD Radeon 780M 12 cores graphics card, AMD Rona 3 graphics architecture. Performance is almost close to that of a full NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti. Coupled with the support of FSR 2.0 Plus technology, the computer can handle heavy computing tasks in AAA gaming. Installed with DDR5 32GB RAM 5600 MHz, dual-channel 2x16GB, the Nutbox K8 Mini PC support expansion to 256GB RAM. Featured with 2TB M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 SSD, supports dual-slot expansion to 2 PCIe 4.02 TB SSD up to 8 TB. Oculink port. The K8 Plus Oculink port enables higher bandwidth capabilities, better frame rates and lower lag. The standard also operates at PCIe X4 speeds, compared to Thunderbolt's X3. Gamers and content creators can benefit from Oculink's higher bandwidth, resulting in better performance and lower lag for eGPU setups. Nutbox K8 Plus is equipped with dual USB 4 USB-C video output. The latest HDMI 2.1 port can connect to large-screen TV and display monitors and output up to 8K at 60Hz resolution. The Type-C DisplayPort video output can connect to the latest monitor displays utilizing 4K at 144Hz, features simultaneous 4-screen display. Number 2. Beelink SR5 Pro Mini PC. The Beelink SR5 Mini PC is powered by the 8-core processor AMD Ryzen 7 5850U. Its base operating frequency is up to 4.4 GHz, 8C/16T, and it supports a 16 MB smart cache. The desktop computer has stable and reliable performance, reduced latency, powerful loading, and processing power for a smoother experience. The mini computer built-in 16 GB SODIMM DDR4 3200 MHz, 500 GB M.2 2280 NVMe SSD, read 3000 MB per second. The small computers support DIY expandable storage, DDR4 up to 64 GB, 2x32 GB, expandable memory, NVMe M.2 SSD up to 2 TB, and support 500 GB 2TB 2.5-inch SATA HDD or SSD. More storage space will make Mini PC run more smoothly. The Windows Mini PC has a unique interface designed with 1x HDMI port, 1x DP port, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second ports, 1x USB 2.0 port, 1x Type-C, data and video port, 1x DC jack port, 1x RJ45 1000M port, 1x audio jack, HP and mic port. And this Mini PC wears a power LED, power button, reset button to meet your various needs. The gaming PC is equipped with HDMI and DP and USB-C. It can connect 3 monitors at the same time, which improves work efficiency effectively. The Beelink Mini PC uses AMD Radeon Graphics 8-core 2000 MHz to support 4K at 60Hz HD video playback, 3D rendering, and modeling, presenting ultra-sharp visuals. In addition, the FPS is up to 60 FPS, and you can play Dota 2, CS:GO, LOL, and other online games. Number 3. Beelink's A12 Pro Mini PC. Beelink's A12 Pro Mini PC is equipped with Intel i5-12450H, 8 cores/12 threads, support 12 MB Intel Smart Cache, dynamic frequency up to 4.4 GHz. The CPU core uses 10 nanometers technology to achieve the best balance between high performance and energy efficiency and has excellent performance in both single-thread and multi-thread. The 12450H Mini PC can easily handle various complicated multitasking and satisfy you with its fast response speed. A12 Pro W11 Pro Mini PC has 16 GB memory capacity and dual-channel DDR4 speed up to 3200 MHz, allowing you to complete commands in just a blink of an eye. In terms of storage, it is equipped with a capacity of 500 GB to meet your daily and work needs. In addition, i5-12450H can also be upgraded to support up to 2x32GB memory and 2+2TB storage by upgrading DDR4, adding a 2.5-inch SSD, and replacing M.2 NVMe SSD. Intel i5-12450H mini desktop computer integrates Intel UHD graphics 48 EUs, 1200 MHz, GPU to provide powerful graphics processing capabilities. You'll get better gaming, viewing, and designing experience through DP plus HDMI 2.0 output to achieve a dual-screen display, making the office more efficient and division of labor easier. 4K at 60Hz ultra-high-definition video brings you an immersive visual experience. Beelink mini computer is equipped with gigabit Ethernet support, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Rich and compatible interfaces allows you to connect various external devices. You can use it with surveillance equipment, projectors, TVs, and more. The Beelink 12450H mini PC has a built-in quiet and powerful cooling fan, so you don't have to worry about overheating. Even when overloaded, the mini is remarkably quiet. Number 4. Beelink EQR6 Mini PC. The Beelink EQR6 Mini PC is powered by AMD Ryzen 5 6600H, 6C/12T, L3 cache 16 MB. The base frequency is 3.3 GHz. The dynamic frequency can reach 4.5 GHz. It features revolutionary 6nm technology for a next-generation multitasking experience that takes processing speeds. It is widely used for image editing, C80, PS, PR, AI, office software, creative design, programming, and HTPC/Zoom meetings/Skype, etc. The mini computer is equipped with AMD Radeon 660M 6-core 1900 MHz, supports 4K video playback and web surfing, and can be connected to a projector for home theater and a variety of entertainment. Dual 4K at 60Hz screen display output via dual HDMI, which enable you to multitask easily, and enough to meet your various needs. What sets the small PC apart from other micro PCs is that it has empty expansion bays that can be added. Beelink Mini PC has a dual-channel 16GB SODIMM DDR5 upgradable to max 64GB, 2x32GB, 500GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0x4 SSD, dual SSD max storage 8TB. The Beelink Mini PC is designed with 2* HDMI, 1* USB-C, data 10 gigabits per second, 2* RJ45 1000M LAN, 3* USB 3.2 10 gigabits per second, 1* USB 2.0 480 megabits per second, 1x3.5mm phone jack * 1, 2-in-1, Realtek ALC897, and 1* AC jack, easily meet office business needs, home audio, and video needs. The mini PC supports Wake on LAN and Auto Power On, which can be used as a server for media, Plex or FTP. The mini computer built-in Wi-Fi 6 802.11x2.4G plus 5G dual band and BT 5.2, which can connect faster speed and farther coverage, ensure stable data transfers. Number 5. ACEMAGIC AD08 Mini PC. ACEMAGIC chose one of the strongest processors from current Tiger Lake generation for its top model AD08 Mini PC. The 11900H offers 23 MB of L3 cache and 8 cores, and up to 16 parallel threads are possible via hyperthreading. The base clock speed is 2.5 GHz. Under load, depending on the application and stress, up to 4.9 GHz can be reached. The Core i9-11900H delivers 30 more performance than an equivalent 10th gen part with 8 cores, and around 50 more performance than the 6 cores i7, which is a massive jump for productivity. Get the performance you need, where you need it, whether you're a gamer, creator, streamer, or everyday user. The Intel Core i9-11900H is on par with the Ryzen 9's performance in most tasks, if not better. Compared with AMD Ryzen 5/Ryzen 7/Ryzen 9/Core i5/Core i7, ACEMAGIC AD08 mini gaming computer will be more powerful, providing faster speed and efficiency. The 11900H's 24 MB of L3 cache is good for performance with the latest graphics-intense games. This means that enthusiasts can harness the power of the ultimate gaming and creator performance in one chip, play your favorite games like Dota 2, Rust, GTA 5, Baldur's Gate, Halo MCC and more with ease.